Best value around. Flex Fuel. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at this good-looking 2008 Chevrolet Outlander. New Car Test Drive called it easily the best minivan GM has ever built, a minivan with the flexibility, features and family-friendly conveniences buyers expect. Now you can finally buy a very reliable van at a very affordable price. This Outlander is a real keeper. It gets awesome miles per gallon. This is a truly must-see. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. Just ask for Andy and remember, you'll always save at Dave's. Listed price includes $3,000 push, pull or tow trade-in allowance. It doesn't matter if it's running or not, we'll still pay you $3,000.